Okay, hi. This is Sing 007, and this is the box of the 5D Mark II. And this is what which come with the package: the charger, the USB cable, the power cord, the AV cables, the instruction manual, and the warranty card, and also the receipt which was purchased 2 years ago for 3,900 Sing dollars. An unused strap which is still yet to be opened until today, as well as a few CDs and a 5D Mark II pocket guide will be given as well. The original battery will come with a body. As you can see, this is the original battery. This is how the body will look like. As you can see, the condition is pretty good. The hot shoe is clean. Everything else is good. And you can see this is the serial number, which I will show the EOS info capture later. So I'll now put the battery in, and the testing will begin in a short while.
Okay. You focus here.
Okay. So just now I haven't been showing the serial number clearly. As you can see, it's 1531016856. Hope you can see that clearly. And I'll begin with the testing. I've actually loaded in a 32 gigabyte SanDisk compact flash, which I won't be given, but I'll be giving 8 gig Kingston Elite Pro instead. This is a 35mm lens, which I'm going to use to facilitate the testing. And later on, I will actually be using the MEMS flash for you to see that the hot shoe is actually working. I preloaded the flash with the batteries, and I will now begin with the testing. The first test will be done without the flash. Switch it to autofocus, and I'll put it to 2.8 for example. ISO, let me switch it to 1006 for example, to see how fast the shutter can go. And here it goes. Okay, 4 shots in a row in a high speed. Okay, so as you can see, the image are pretty clear, no flaws or whatsoever. Now let me switch it to high aperture. I'll put it to 10. ISO, I'll bump it up to 6004, and I'll continue the high speed. This is a bit slower because of the shutter speed is of only about 10, but again you can see that the image is pretty clean even though at 6004 ISO, which is the benefit of the full frame. Okay, please let me know if you need further testing on the camera. I hope that the shutter is actually working fine. Now I'll test it with the flash. Flash, I'll put it to ISO of 200. I'll set it to manual. And shutter speed I'll be setting it to 60 with an aperture of f4.0 for example. So let the testing begin. Okay. my flash wasn't able to respond fast enough. But the first few photos were captured with flash, as you can see here. It shows that the hot shoes are actually working fine, just that the flash couldn't refresh fast enough to light up the subject. Okay, that's all for my testing. I hope that if you have any further questions, please contact me. Thank you.